Good morning students. In previous video we will discuss there are two type of bond formed, ionic bond and covalent bond. So today we will discuss the full-fledged description of ionic bond or electrovalent bond and how it is formed. We already discussed this topic or ionic compound in your 10th class. So let us start ionic bond or electrovalent bond. So when a bond is formed by the transference of one or two more electrons, valence electron of one atom to other atom, so as to complete their outermost octet and acquire stable nearest noble gas configuration. What a type of bond? By the transfer of electron, one or more electron from one atom to another to attain a noble gas configuration or stable configuration, that is called ionic bond or electrovalent bond. Another definition of by losing or by gaining electrons to that when these two types of atoms combine to form a ionic bond or a electrovalent bond. So the type of force present between positively and negatively charged ion is called electrostatic force. So another definition of ionic bond or electrovalent bond: the electrostatic force of attraction which holds the oppositely charged ions together is known as ionic or electrovalent bond. So one atom gain electron and acquire negative charge, one atom lose electron to acquire a positive charge. When these two ions combine, because opposite charge attract each other, and what a type of force? Electrostatic force. So these type of force of attraction which holds these two oppositely charged, and what a type of bond formed? That is ionic or electrovalent bond. So the compounds which containing ionic or electrovalent bond, that are called ionic or electrovalent compounds. So let us discuss how ionic compounds are formed. Here sodium, its configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. It lose one electron to acquire a positive charge and acquire noble gas configuration. Neon 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 1 electron lose. Chlorine, neon 3s2, 3p5, it's 17 atomic number. It gain electron to acquire a noble gas configuration. So this sodium lose one electron and give that electron transfer to chlorine atom and form sodium positive and Cl negative, and to form NaCl, to form a NaCl compound, which is called ionic compound, because the electrostatic force of attraction between sodium positive ion and chloride negative ion, and the bond formed between these two oppositely charged ions are called ionic bond or electrovalent bond. So next example, there are 2 electron present in case of magnesium atom and 6 electron in case of oxygen. It require 2 more electron to attain a noble gas configuration. It more 2 electron, that's why it loses, but oxygen have gained 2 electrons. So magnesium lose 2 electron, that electron gained by oxygen. These 2 electron comes from magnesium, so it form magnesium oxide. Clear? So in this way the formation of ionic compound. So the formation of ionic compound, there are 2 points: ease of formation of positive and negative ions from the respective neutral atom, कि किन्नी easily साडे को electron lose करदे या gain करदे हैं, उहदे ते depend करदा है. And arrangement of positive and negative ions in the solid, मतलब कि किस टाइप ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋ arrangement ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਤੇ ਨੈਗੇਟਿਵਲੀ ਚਾਰਜ, ਕਿ ਉਹ ਸੂਟੇਬਲ ਨੇ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਅਰੇਂਜ ਹੋਣ ਲਈ ਇੱਕ ਪਾਰਟਿਕੂਲਰ ਜਿਓਮੈਟਰੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. Clear? So on what factors the formation of ionic bonds depend? There are mainly 3 factors which are important for the formation of ionic bond or electrovalent bond. First, low ionization enthalpy. What is ionization enthalpy? We already discussed in our previous chapter the amount of energy required to remove the most loosely bound electron from an isolated gaseous atom to form a positive ion. ਉਹ એનર્ਜੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਬਾਹਰਲੇ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਨ ਨੂੰ ਰਿਮੂਵ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਆਈਸੋਲੇਟਡ ਗੈਸੀਅਸ ਐਟਮ ਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ to form a positive ion, that is called ionization enthalpy. If an atom has low ionization enthalpy, it means it easily change into cation or positively ion. For example, metal lose electron to give M positive ion and electron, and the energy for this purpose is known as ionization enthalpy, whose value is positive. So lesser the ionization enthalpy of an atom, greater will be the ease of losing the valence electron. So जिन्नी energy घट होगी उन्नी easily साडे कोले lose करूगा electron, and that's why it easily form positive ion which easily react with the negatively charged ion to form a ionic compound. So metal which have low ionization enthalpy have greater tendency to form ionic bond. ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ metals easily electron lose ਕਰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, low ionization enthalpy ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, they are easily form ionic bonds. Next point, high electron gain enthalpy, amount of energy released when an electron is added to an isolated gaseous atom. Ionization enthalpy की सी energy to remove, ये की है energy released during the electron added to isolated gaseous atom. For example, X, any atom, it gain one electron to form a X negative ion or a negatively charged ion, which is a negative value. ਇਹਦੀ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਨੈਗੇਟਿਵ, ਜਿਹਦੀ ਜਿੰਨੀ ਨੈਗੇਟਿਵ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੋਗੀ ਉਨੀ ਟੈਂਡੈਂਸੀ ਹੋਗੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਈਜ਼ ਆਫ ਫਾਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਆਫ ਆਇਨ ਐਂਡ ਈਜ਼ਲੀ ਫਾਰਮ ionic bond, easily form ionic bond. So there are two कि positively charged ਲਈ ਸਾਡੇ को ionization enthalpy चाहिए ਉਹ ਵੀ low, negatively ਸਾਡੇ को high negative electron gain enthalpy चाहिए to form an ion. ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ positive ਤੇ negative charge ਤਾਂ ਬਣਾ ਲਏ with the help of ionization enthalpy which is low, and for electron gain enthalpy that is high. Third factor is high lattice enthalpy. Formation and strength of an ionic bond depends upon electrostatic force of attraction between the ions. So a main factor है कि कितनी strong electrostatic force of attraction है ions ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. Due to strong force of attraction between the ions, it release more energy. Clear? So what is lattice enthalpy? The amount of energy released when free ions, positively or negatively charged, combine together to form a 1 mole of crystal. So एक positively charged metal ion, एक negatively charged non-metal ion, when combined with each other, during combination of these two ions, the energy released to form 1 mole of ionic compound or crystal mx in solid state. During that, energy released is known as lattice energy, which is represented by U, and that is also negative. So ionization enthalpy साढ़े को endothermic process है, electron gain enthalpy exothermic process है, lattice enthalpy also a exothermic process, because in these two process energy released in the form of heat. So higher the value of lattice enthalpy, greater will be the ease of formation of ionic bond and stronger will be the bond. जिन्नी एनर्जी ज़्यादा रिलीज होगी ड्यूरिंग द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कंपाउंड उन्नी साडे कोले जिहड़ी टेंडेंसी आयनिक कंपाउंड फॉर्म होंदी वो की होगी मैक्सिमम. सो नेक्स्ट वन इज with the help of example, sodium lose electron to form Na positive electron, ionization enthalpy 495.8 kilojoule per mole. Chlorine gain 1 electron to have electron gain enthalpy minus 348.7. When these two free ions react with each other, combine with each other to form 1 mole of NaCl, which have minus 788 kilojoule per mole energy released during the formation of NaCl. So higher the lattice enthalpy of an ionic compound, greater will be its stability. So जिन्नी ये ज़्यादा होगी उन्नी साडे को जिहड़ी हैगी stability उस compound दी ज़्यादा होगी. So there are 3 factors for ionic compound: low ionization enthalpy to form cation, high electron gain enthalpy to form an ion, and lattice enthalpy should be high. Next we discuss lattice enthalpy of ionic crystal. So another definition of lattice enthalpy: energy required to complete separate 1 mole of solid into ionic compound into gaseous ionic constituent. So energy पहला असी जो की किया सी the formation of during the combination of positive and negative ion to form this solid is called lattice enthalpy, which is negative. But lattice enthalpy is also defined as energy required to completely separate 1 mole of solid ionic compound into gaseous ion. So इनू तोड़न ਲਈ ਜਿਹੜੀ energy required है into ions ਜਿਹੜੇ ਤੋਂ ਇਹ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਸੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਹਾਂਗੇ lattice enthalpy. ਪਰ ਇਸ ਕੇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਹੋਊਗੀ positive, because we provide ਤੇ lattice enthalpy ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਸੇਮ ਰਹੂਗੀ, ਜਿੰਨੀ ਰਿਲੀਜ਼ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਆ ਉਨੀ ਹੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਉਹ डिसोशीएट करने ਲਈ ਜਾਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸੈਪਰੇਟ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਰਿਕੁਆਇਰਡ ਹੁੰਦੀ। ਸੋ ਜਦੋਂ ਫਾਰਮ ਹੋ ਰਹੇ ਉਦੋਂ ਨੈਗੇਟਿਵਲੀ ਚਾਰਜਡ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਜਦੋਂ ਟੁੱਟ ਰਹੇ ਆ ਆਇਨਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਨੈਗੇਟਿਵਲੀ ਚਾਰਜਡ ਹੋਊਗੀ। ਕਲੀਅਰ? So on what factors depend size of ions? Smaller the size of ion, lesser is the internuclear distance, and more will be the interionic interaction, and latest enthalpy will be also lie। चाहे वो फॉर्म कर रहे हैं चाहे वो टुट रहे हैं, क्योंकि जिन्ना साइज आयन्स का छोटा होगा उन्नी अट्रैक्शन दोनों ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੇ पॉजिटिव की नैगेटिवली चार्ज आयन्स ज़्यादा होगी, उन्नी साढ़े को अट्रैक्शन ज़्यादा होगी, लेटेस्ट एंथैल्पी उन्नी ज़्यादा रिलीज़ होगी, तो उन्नी ज़्यादा उन्होंने तोड़न ली एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड होगी। सैकेंड, चार्ज ऑन दी आयन, लार्ज दी चार्ज ऑन दी आयन ग्रेटर विल बी दी अट्रैक्टिव फोर्स बिटवीन दी आयन। सो जिन्ना पॉजिटिवली चार्ज है नैगेटिवली चार्ज ज़्यादा होणगे आयन्स के उपर उन्नी साढ़े को ईजली साढ़े को अट्रैक्टिव फोर्सिस होणगियां, उन्नी साढ़े को स्ट्रोंग बॉन्ड आ जोड़ा वो फॉर्म होगा। क्लीयर? सो जिमें गल करिए असी कैल्शियम की, इट फॉर्म अ मोर स्ट्रोंगर आयनिक बॉन्ड दैन सोडियम, क्योंकि ये उपर 2 पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, ये उपर नैगेटिव। ये ऑक्सीजन के नाल ज़्यादा ईजली बॉन्ड बनाऊगा एज़ कंपेयर टू साढ़े को जे क्लोरीन की गल करिए वो कंपेरेटिवली, क्योंकि इतने एक नैगेटिव चार्ज है, ये 2 नैगेटिव चार्ज, एंड यदा स्मॉल साइज है, थोड़ा लार्ज साइज है। सो सेम these 2 points considerable। Clear? So next we discuss the properties of ionic compound, which you already discussed in 10th class। So first, physical state mostly ionic solid in nature, crystalline solid ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ। ਸੋ ਸੋਡੀਅਮ ਦੇ ਦੁਆਲੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ 6 ਕਲੋਰਾਈਡ ਆਇਨਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ ਸਰਾਊਂਡਡ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ Cl। ਸੋ ਇਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ 1 sodium ion surrounded by 6 chloride ion and 1 chloride ion surrounded by 6 sodium ion। So the number of oppositely ions present in the nearest neighbor around an ion, that is called coordination number। ਜਿਵੇਂ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬੈਠੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਆਲੇ ਦੁਆਲੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਪਰਸਨ ਬੈਠੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕੋਆਰਡੀਨੇਸ਼ਨ ਨੰਬਰ ਹੋਊਗਾ। ਸੈਕੰਡ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰਟੀ, melting and boiling point, high melting and boiling point due to presence of strong force of attraction or electrostatic force of attraction, that's why it require more energy to break up and has more melting and boiling point। Next, solubility, it's easily soluble in water and form ions, but it's soluble in polar solvent, but in case of non-polar it is not soluble in nature। Next, electrical conductivity, it conduct with electricity in molten as well as in aqueous state, but it's a poor conductor in solid state। So solid state ions नहीं form होंगे, but in case of molten aqueous state they easily converted into ions। Next, ionic reaction occur very fastly, क्योंकि ionic reactions ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ instantly ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ। ਜਿਵੇਂ ਹੀ ਅਸੀਂ 2 ionic compound react ਕੀਤੇ immediately ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਕਟ ਫਾਰਮ ਹੋਈ। ਫੋਰ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਪ੍ਰੈਸੀਪੀਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਤੇ ਨॉन ਡਾਇਰੈਕਸ਼ਨਲ ਕਰੈਕਟਰ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਹਰੇਕ ਆਇਨ ਆਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਲੀ ਚਾਰਜਡ ਆਇਨਸ ਨਾ ਯੂਨੀਫਾਰਮਲੀ ਕਵਰ ਹੁੰਦਾ। ਸੋ ਦੈਟਸ ਵਾਈ ਦੇ ਹੈਵ no directional character। So this is your ionic compound। If you have any doubt in this type of bond and its properties and energies, you can call me or through message you clarify your doubt and you complete your pending work up to Sunday। Clear? Thank you।